Over 25% of adults in the United States have fatty liver disease. Excess fat in your liver can lead to serious health issues, but it's reversible. We'll explore the fastest ways to reverse fatty liver disease and reclaim your liver health. Understanding the enemy. What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, yet many are unaware they have it. Before we dive into solutions, let's understand what we're dealing with. Fatty liver disease is a condition where excess fat builds up in the liver cells, making it harder for the liver to function properly. Fatty liver disease occurs when fat accumulates in the liver. This accumulation can lead to inflammation and damage over time, potentially causing serious health issues if left untreated. There are two types: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD. NAFLD is the most common form and is not related to alcohol consumption. NAFLD is linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. These conditions can cause the liver to store more fat than it should, leading to the development of fatty liver disease. AFLD stems from excessive alcohol consumption. When the liver processes alcohol, it can produce harmful substances that damage liver cells, leading to fat buildup and inflammation. Both types can lead to inflammation, damage, and scarring of the liver. This scarring, known as fibrosis, can progress to cirrhosis, a severe condition where the liver is permanently damaged. With the right lifestyle changes, we can restore liver health. This includes maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and limiting alcohol intake. By making these changes, we can reduce fat in the liver and improve overall liver function. Unmasking the culprits. Fatty liver disease is often linked to a range of metabolic issues. These include insulin resistance, obesity, and high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides. These conditions disrupt the normal functioning of the liver, leading to fat accumulation. Our modern diet plays a significant role in the development of fatty liver disease. Diets high in added sugars, processed foods, and unhealthy fats contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance, which are major risk factors. Excessive alcohol consumption is another major driver of fatty liver disease, specifically alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD. Alcohol is metabolized in the liver, and excessive intake can overwhelm the liver's ability to process it. Over time, the toxic effects of alcohol can cause significant liver damage, leading to inflammation, scarring, and eventually cirrhosis if left unchecked. The ripple effect. In its early stages, fatty liver disease often remains silent. As fat builds up, it can trigger liver inflammation known as steatohepatitis. This can lead to scarring, fibrosis, and, if unchecked, cirrhosis. Fatty liver disease is linked to type 2 diabetes and heart disease. It can also affect kidney function, mental health, and nutrient deficiencies. Fatty liver can impair the liver's ability to store and metabolize essential vitamins and minerals, leading to deficiencies. There's an increased risk of developing liver cancer. It heightens the risk of cardiovascular diseases and digestive issues. People with fatty liver disease are at higher risk for gallstones due to changes in bile composition. Some individuals may experience gastrointestinal symptoms like bloating, abdominal pain, and discomfort. In severe cases, it can lead to liver failure. Reversing fatty liver disease protects your liver and overall health. A liver-friendly diet is a powerful weapon against fatty liver disease. Ditch processed junk for whole, nutrient-rich foods. Eliminate added sugars, sugary drinks, and refined grains. Focus on fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and whole grains. Include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish reduce liver fat and inflammation. Prioritize whole foods over supplements. Incorporate liver detox foods like garlic, turmeric, and green tea. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. A balanced diet supports overall liver health and function. Eat regular meals to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Practice portion control to avoid overeating and weight gain. Intermittent fasting can be a game changer in your fight against fatty liver disease. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, promotes weight loss and reduces insulin resistance. Your body taps into stored fat for energy, reducing liver fat, helps regulate insulin levels, promoting liver healing. Experiment to find what works best for you. Consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe for you. Many people report feeling more energetic and healthier. Over time, you may see significant improvements in liver function. Regular physical activity is crucial for improving liver health and reversing fatty liver disease. Moderate activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Strength training builds muscle mass, enhancing glucose utilization and reducing liver fat. Even a small amount of weight loss can make a substantial difference. Incorporating a variety of exercises can keep you motivated and engaged. Tracking your progress with fitness apps or devices can help you stay on track. Outdoor activities like hiking or nature walks can also be beneficial and enjoyable. Consider working with a personal trainer to create a tailored exercise plan that suits your needs. Breaking up with booze. Excessive alcohol consumption is a major risk factor for fatty liver disease. Alcohol is toxic and can cause significant liver damage. Reduce or eliminate alcohol if you have fatty liver disease. Consult your doctor for strategies to reduce alcohol. Resources are available to help you make positive changes. Attend workshops and use educational materials to stay informed. Celebrate your milestones and stay motivated on your journey to better liver health. Certain supplements support liver health and reverse fatty liver disease. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant protecting the liver. It helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in liver damage. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for liver health. They help reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for reversing fatty liver disease. You can find omega-3 in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Choline helps transport fat out of the liver, preventing accumulation. It plays a vital role in fat metabolism and liver function, making it an essential nutrient for liver health. Excellent sources of choline include eggs, chicken, and soybeans. Milk thistle is known for its liver detoxification properties. It helps regenerate liver cells and protects the liver from toxins, further supporting liver health. Staying hydrated is crucial for health and liver function. Water helps flush out toxins and supports liver function. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses daily. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice. They worsen fatty liver disease. Adding lemon to your water can enhance flavor and provide additional health benefits. Keep a reusable water bottle with you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Remember, consistent hydration is key to reversing fatty liver disease. Stress has a profound impact on liver health. Chronic stress releases cortisol, increasing inflammation and fat storage in the liver. High cortisol levels can impair the liver's ability to detoxify the body. Stress can disrupt sleep patterns, crucial for liver regeneration. Manage stress through mindfulness, deep breathing, and yoga. Ensure enough sleep to lower cortisol and support liver health. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help monitor your progress and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Periodic blood tests can track liver enzyme levels and overall liver function. Ultrasound or MRI scans can assess the extent of fat in the liver and monitor improvement. Regular checkups are crucial for assessing liver health. Consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Your liver, your health. Take charge today. Your liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. It's time to prioritize its health. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding fatty liver disease to ways to reverse it. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you have the tools to make informed decisions about your liver health. Adopt these changes to restore liver health. Liver-friendly diet, intermittent fasting, regular exercise, reduce alcohol, and manage stress. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. By sharing this video, you can help others to better liver health. Stay healthy.